This is the beautiful Our Place Splendor blender. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look because my family is loving it. It comes with a great 25-ounce cup, blender top, and travel top. This 1000 watt blender is sleek and simple, no learning curve to deal with. Just a 45-second blend button, a pulse button, and a stop button. The light flashes until you have it twisted and locked into place, and then it's ready to go. It does an amazing job making creamy smoothies, whether I throw in ice and spinach and protein powder, or frozen fruit and chia seeds. So this button, you just hit it once and it goes through a 45-second blend cycle, or you could turn it off by pushing it. And then here is the pulse button and the off button. Coming in a few fun colors, I love the steam variation, which blends seamlessly into my kitchen. Then here's your top for sipping and traveling. That just pops in. You've got a little handle. This screws on top. Ready to go. If you're looking for a compact but powerful blender, you're going to love this from Our Place.